In this video, we'll go over how to interior design an Airbnb. Okay, so first you need to understand the Airbnb guest experience. You need to understand the traveler's needs. Okay, you want to focus on getting the guest expectations exceeded, right? You want to meet them. You want to prioritize clean, comfortable spaces. They want amenities. They want ease of access, right? They want probably free parking, things like that. And what actually leads to Airbnb success is having strong reviews and positive rankings and ratings. This leads to more bookings, higher income for you, okay? This is the essence. Now, you need to create a welcoming ambient. Use a neutral palette. You want to start with calming colors. Use warm tones like beige, gray, blue. Okay, these colors basically help you create a sense of peace. You can also add personal touches. Add a unique touch to personalize the space. You can add artwork, right? Maybe handcraft. These details can actually create a sense of home and individuality, okay? You can also go ahead and use scents and sounds and that use aromatic candles, can use essential oils, can add soft background music. This can enhance the ambience, right? Also, what you can do is you can maximize the space and storage. So you want to be clever with the storage in the sense that you can use built-in shelves, drawers, underbed storage to maximize the space. You can also use mirror and lighting. So if you strategically place mirrors, this can actually create the illusion of there being more space and actually brighten the room by having good lighting. Gives the illusion of more space, right? And what you can do is you can also have multifunctional furniture, where if you choose furniture that have a multiple purposes, for example, sofa beds or coffee tables with hidden storage, this can serve you multiple purposes, right? You can maximize your space utility. Also, you need to properly select your furniture and decor, right? Make sure the bed is comfortable because that is very essential. In essence, a guest comes there, mostly they're going to be sleeping. That's their main intended use. So you want to choose some high quality linens and pillows. And the lounge area needs to be welcoming. There needs to be a comfortable seating, a coffee table, some lamps, right? And you need to incorporate local flair. Have local art there, have souvenirs, traditional colors, use local crafts. Incorporate some cultural elements as well, right? Go ahead and, of course, optimize the lighting and accents. Use natural light, maximize the natural light. Keep windows clean, keep them uncluttered, right? Use layered lighting, overhead lighting, lamps, accent lamps, lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. And you can also go ahead and add decorative touches like plants. Okay? Use candles, personalize the space. And I'll give you some maintenance and upkeep tips. You want to make sure that you regularly clean the place, maintain a high standard of hygiene, ensure there's fresh linens, towels for every guest, and always go ahead and check and replenish amenities such as toiletries or coffee if you offer those. And you want to be communicating with guests properly, address any concerns that arise, okay? And that is how you can have a good interior design for your Airbnb.